bata ang matitiyan ng mga babae. Next natin sa kategory. Ulit-ulit ng baboy. Natin. Lang po ha. Ayusin lang natin. Next natin. Next category is mga kids. Ladies kids. Ladies kids. So ang problema, ang baboy nakawala pa. Asan na yung baboy? Nakawala pa po yung baboy, no? So, nilagyan po ng mantika. Okay, get ready. Set, go. Umiyak ng baboy, ibig sabihin nun, ano na, be ready na, ha? Ito be ready. Larong Pinoy 2025 founding anniversary, 60th founding anniversary of Palayan City. There's Council Larong Pinoy Right to you by 6 founding anniversary of Palayan City. Wala pa, relax lang. Talaga naman. Relax lang ha. Relax lang. Get ready. Okay, get ready ang baboy. Ready. Let's go. Wala yan. Sino na ulit. Naipit po yung baboy. Grabe, congrats.